I'm Jill Yesko, and this is Ashley Early, and we're with Discover Organizing. As professional organizers, one of the biggest struggles that our clients have is maintenance, making sure that it stays organized once we work together. So what I'd like to suggest to you as a tip is that you make a second pass after every organizing project that you do, either with a professional organizer or without. As long as you're going through your decisions one more time to make sure that you've really pared down and were really honest with yourself, that's a great start to staying on the path of organization. Ashley, you love home decor.
I do.
You love it. Like, Ashley really likes home decor. And as you can see, she's very stylish. So we've organized, we've pared down, this is what's left. As a professional organizer, I'm going to ask you a little bit about, are you sure this is everything that you want to keep? And it's okay that it is, but just take one more look at it to make sure that you're really happy with your decisions to keep everything on these shelves. And this lovely leaf.
I really don't think that I need this purple book. I don't think I'm gonna read it anymore. So I think that I'm gonna donate it.
That's a great idea.
So
When do you think you want to look at this stuff again with me? When do you think I can come back and help you?
I really have a lot of home decor. So maybe in about 2 months,
Okay.
come back and help me figure out, do I really need to keep all these things?
So doing that spot check where you go back in a month, 2 months, or 3 months, whatever the client's comfortable with, is a really good way of letting them know that you're returning to help keep them accountable. And that is your tip for today.